Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching domestic animal names in Xhosa. Ihagu. Ihagu means pig. Inja. Inja means dog. Inkomo. Inkomo means cow. Ibhokhwe. Ibhokhwe means goat. Igusha. Igusha means sheep. Inkukhu. Inkukhu means chicken. Impuku. Impuku means mouse. Ikhanisi. Ikhanisi means goose. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.